Can Nightbot ban people in your chat? Short answer, not exactly. They can time out people, but not really ban. You can do that in the spam protection settings. Let me show you. First thing we want to do is go to twitch.tv and then go to your own actual chat. Type /mod Nightbot and press enter. Now we made Nightbot a moderator. If it was already a moderator, you can skip this step. However, I like to be safe. Now we go to nightbot.tv, click on login and log in with your Twitch. Make sure that this says part channel. If it says join channel, click on it. Then we want to go to spam protection here and blocks words and phrases. Options. Here we can see that we can have a blacklist of words. I do have a video about spam protection on Nightbot, which is going a lot deeper, so I recommend watching this video if you haven't done that yet. We can have dirty words be written in here. Dirty word. And now if somebody says dirty word, Nightbot's gonna do something. If you use an asterisk like this, let's say we do dirt asterisk, now the word dirty, for example, is also banned. Dirting, dirts. I can't find words with dirt in it, but you get the point, right? Like, all these words are banned then, and not just dirt. If you want to add more, just add an enter. If you want to add a sentence, that's possible. Hello, I am a bot. Enter. Now, hello, I'm a bot, as a sentence is banned. You can also check for usernames. So for example, if you did dirt asterisk, now everyone with the word dirt in their username will be automatically something. So right now it's timeout, which is like a ban for just a short period. Timer here, and you want to just keep this on moderators because you don't want other people to be able to, you know, time out each other, ban each other. If you don't want it to announce it, just click on this and you can put a custom message in why they got banned, basically. You can do the same for links here, timeout length, exceptions for links on the whitelist. You can exempt subscribers, for example. Make sure to enable them though. So if you want to use this, enable them. So it says enable and not disable like it did for me. If you do want to ban somebody in your chat with a command, that is possible though, but it's just natively a Twitch option. So what you can do is go to your chat and type /ban. And then space the name you want to ban. Let's say I'm doing Trui for the jokes because we cannot ban the broadcaster. Don't ban me, by the way. So if you do /ban, you can basically, oh, ban. You can put a username. You can even put a reason behind it if you want to look back why they were banned. So Trui, annoying. So I was annoying. So for example, like that. And this way you can ban people easily with a command anyway, and you don't really need Nightbot for it. But Nightbot can time out people with just the spam protection settings. I've got a lot of tutorials about Nightbot, so let's just jump into this playlist about it. See you there.